Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change WhatsApp custom ringtone on iPhone. If you're using WhatsApp and you want to change ringtone for your WhatsApp app, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your WhatsApp app and here go for settings option in the bottom right corner, and from here you just have to select notifications and then select sound under the message and notifications, and from here you just have to select the sound which you want to set as. For example, I'm going to select this one, then tap on save option here and it will be saved. You can also do this from your settings app, so go for settings here, go for apps and then go for WhatsApp app, and from here select notifications, and from here select WhatsApp notification settings, and then select sound and then select settings, tap on save. And in this way, you can easily change WhatsApp ringtone on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.